I'm Helge. I come from Europe, from Estonia, and I have been more than 30 years clinic trainer and consultator. And I love my work, really I like. And especially when I see that people who maybe don't like to clean after their training, they are motivated. I have advice for you in point of view of your sustainability journey. Look a big picture, but also start with small steps and try to find something small, but something what is meaningful for you, and do that. Just start. And maybe one advice from my experience. For instance, every single cleaner is using cleaning cloth. And I have tested thousand times how to use properly cleaning cloth. And to do this really correctly, it gives a lot of benefit. A lot of benefit for your cleaning quality, speed, and also sustainability. Think about that, how your cleaners are using cleaning cloth, and make that correct.